Hello squad! For everyone new, welcome to Keiota Studio. In today's video, I am going to reveal 2 new plants that I've purchased from IKEA recently. I am also going to repot them. Make sure that you watch this whole video because I'm going to tell you how much they cost, their names, and a few care tips. Here's the first plant.
This is Echeveria. It is my first succulent. This costs $4 at IKEA. I am going to keep this indoors, but these can grow outdoors as well. The soft powdery coating will help it in harsh weather. This plant needs a lot of sunlight. Therefore, I am going to use grow lights because my studio doesn't really have good sunlight. Or if I put it in my living room, then I can just make sure this plant is in a sunny window. This plant should not be left in a temperature lower than 54 degrees Fahrenheit. It also does not do well in frost. I will only water this cute plant when the soil is absolutely dry because it does not require much water. These soft succulents come in the shape of a rosette. I also have seen them in various pastel colors, which I think is very pretty.
Have you purchased any new plants this year? Please leave a comment in this video. Here's the second plant.
This is Variezia. This plant cost me $6 at IKEA. It is a tropical plant. This is my first Bromeliad. This plant prefers a source of medium light. If this plant is kept in direct sunlight for too long, it is possible that it can burn. The minimum temperature for this plant is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. This plant is known as an epiphyte, which means that it can grow on another thing, another living thing, such as a tree, which also means that it doesn't need soil in order to survive. It gains its water and nutrients through the air. The center of this plant is known as the cup. You can see here where there is water. That is absolutely fine. You can water the center of this plant.
All of my supplies is listed in the description of this video.
This is my grow lamp. These lights are attached to each other and they have switches to turn them on. Since I just purchased these plants and brought them home, I don't know when was the last time that the store clerks either watered them or gave them a good source of light. So I am treating my new plants to light underneath of these grow lamps, and I am also going to mist my Bromeliad with distilled water. If you have any helpful tips that could keep bromeliads and succulents healthy, please leave your comment in this video. I use distilled water in my water bottle to mist this bromeliad, and it helps with humidity. I am not going to mist my succulent with water because this has enough water for right now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch as many times as you want, and subscribe to Keiota Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.